Okay guys, welcome back. Hope everybody's keeping well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie you a wee, it's basically trying to imitate a roach, a very small roach fry, tied in what's known as the toddy style. Basically like a very small, like a tadpole, if you like. Now the hook and the vise is a Kamasan B175 and size 12, so 12s and 14s are good, very good for this type of pattern. The thread that I'm going to use is the Uni Thread 80 in black. Now you can use whatever thread you like, obviously. I just want a nice black head on the wee pattern. Now I'm just going to work my thread down till past the point of the hook, just for a wee colour, wee bit of colour, if you like, underneath the tail. This is 8 strands of Glow Bright floss number 5, so I'm just going to lift the tail, lock and turn, lift the tail, just I'll lock in the Glow Bright floss, then I'll just come in, trim that to length, and then trim the Glow Bright floss to where you like. Now I'm just going to carry my thread forward and tie in the cut ends. Don't need to worry about lumps and bumps, the body's going to be dubbed. And then I can work the thread back to there. Now I'm going to use a natural rabbit zonker strip. Now usually when you can't buy them in mini zonker strips, but what I do is I just buy the standard zonker and then just reduce it by half. So this here is around about half a mil wide. Excuse me. Then I just trim them in half. Right, just going to measure this up. This might actually be the right size, this last bit. So we'll work with that. And I just want the tail to be roughly the length of the hook. Over the back. So just hold it there, around with a pinching loop. Another 3 turns just to hold, just to see what way we're sitting. Right, I'm happy enough with that. Just to secure it in. I'm just going to use a wee touch of super glue on the thread. And then just take those thread turns over the top. That'll just help keep that secure. Then just going to bring the rest of the zonker back, get my thread turned in front. Now I'm going to use this is called a Royal Sissy Ice Stub and Pearl, and I got this, bought this off TMU. I think the time of buying it was around about 90p a packet. I just bought 2 packets, so I'm going to use the pearl here for the body, and then I'm going to use an orange. In fact, it's called Prism, but it is orange. The same stuff for the head of the fly. So just dub this on. I don't want it too tight because I want some of the fibres to come out into the pattern. And then this is the orange. So it's called a holographic fibre, separated spectrum, whatever that means. But for the value, I should have bought more, but I only wanted to buy purchase the 2 packets just to see what the actual quality was like, and it's dead on. So just at that point, and then bring my thread in front, work on the thread down to the eye of the hook and back up. Now at this point I'm going to go back to my Glow Bright floss. I'm just going to put this in as a same as the tail, same floss as the tail. Just putting this in as a throat. And then we'll come in, gather the waste ends, trim that away, tidy up, and back up again. Now obviously that's too long, so I'm just going to reduce it. Gives us a better cut than that. It's better. Right, just going to bring over the zonker at this point. I want to just check to see where I need to tie it in. But I just want to get just a very small piece of the orange dubbing, just to finish off. Just there, just in front of the throat. Now once you get into a rhythm, you'll literally knock these up in no time, and there's many different colour combinations of zonkers and strips and dubbings, flosses that you can use, but this wee pattern has been fairly successful for me. So just catch that in. Just have a wee check. Now, excuse me, beg your pardon. Just to see what way we're sitting. And then I'm just going to come in and trim away the waste. And then just anything that wants to go forward, or maybe the odd fibre of the dubbing. And then we'll build up our head from the front. And don't be shy with the size of the head on this. You are trying to represent a small bait fish. Now obviously this works really well for the rainbows, but this also works well on loch iron for the wild fish. So then just come in and throw in a whip finish. Just tidy the head up, pull your thread tight, come in, trim away your tang thread. First coat onto the head. Drop the super glue where it would be without the super glue. Just don't want this getting into my floss or my zonker strip. That's why I'm taking my time here. Just want to be careful. And then let that dry. And come in and hit it with a couple of coats of varnish. Make sure that the eye is clean. Right. I think I said I fish this in the middle, dropper on a 3 flag cast. Usually tie myself up 5 of another 4 sitting here on my desk. So 5's really all you need. You know, you don't need to be going nuts tying them, but honestly, it's a cracking wee pattern to have in your box. So hopefully you can tie a few of those up. As always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. Greatly appreciate it. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, please consider subscribing. It just helps the wee channel grow. And until the next time, tight lines, and I hope you're all doing plenty of fishing, guys. And all being well, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.